If you've ever wondered why you want to cry, snack, and text three friends instead of punching a wall, the answer is biology. The stress model most people know is fight or flight. Either you prepare to throw down or you run away. That framework came from early research done almost entirely on men and male lab animals. It stuck, not because it fit everyone, but because it was the only story being told. Over time, researchers started noticing a pattern. Women didn't always match the fight or flight response. Many showed something else, later called tend and befriend. Instead of gearing up for battle or escape, the body leaned toward protecting children or reaching for social support. It wasn't about weakness or strength. It was about physiology operating with a slightly different toolkit. Hormones help explain the difference. Oxytocin rises under stress. In women, it interacts with estrogen in ways that encourage bonding and connection. Testosterone and adrenaline push harder toward aggression or withdrawal. Both sets of responses exist in everyone. What shifts is the balance. That balance shows up in small, everyday stress. Someone stuck in traffic might slam the wheel, swear at other drivers, and fume. Someone else might open a group chat and start venting about how bad the commute is. Neither strategy clears the road, but both reflect how the body channels pressure. When stress is long-term, the contrast gets sharper. Women often seek out networks, friends, family, online communities. That tendency is adaptive. Social support lowers cortisol, steadies blood pressure, and speeds recovery. The catch is that leaning on networks often means maintaining them, which can quietly turn into another job. The group chat helps, but only if someone keeps it alive. The caretaking side of the response is just as significant. Protecting children, or stepping into caregiver mode for friends and partners, tends to intensify under strain. That instinct preserves families and communities, but it often draws energy away from the woman herself. This is part of why burnout looks different across genders. The same biology that shields others can leave women more depleted. Importantly, tend and befriend doesn't replace fight or flight. It expands it. Women can respond aggressively, run from danger, or collapse into rest, just as men can lean into connection. But when you zoom out across populations, the averages shift. It's a reminder that the textbook version of stress was written around half the population and applied to everyone else as an afterthought. Understanding that difference matters because it shapes how we talk about coping. Advice built on the fight or flight model often emphasizes control, grit, or pushing through. Advice grounded in tend and befriend points toward community, communication, and support systems. Neither is right or wrong, but if you've ever felt like the first kind didn't quite fit, the second one may explain why. So the next time stress hits, it doesn't have to feel like you're choosing between a fist fight or a sprint. Seeking comfort, leaning on friends, or taking care of others aren't signs of avoiding stress. They're signs of meeting it with the tools your body already built in. That's the female stress response. More layered than fight or flight, and more accurate than the model most of us learned. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, where biology, psychology, and culture all overlap, subscribe and let me know what topic you'd like explained next.